Aries is a fire sign that represents by the ram. It's a sign of new beginnings, and the keyword is I am. I'm a leader, I'm generous, I'm fun, never be last. But warning, I'm terrible at following instructions and often do things too fast. That last bit was too fast. Okay.
Taurus is an earth sign that represented by the bull. I build is the keyword here, and I'm not taken as fools. Taurines are well-grounded and patient. They're also loyal and funny, but be prepared because they want to take over the world and make endless amounts of money. Cha-ching!
Gemini is an air sign that represented by the twins. I say is their keyword, and disagreeing with them is a sin. They'll communicate, debate and talk till they're having fits. But the common problem with Gemini is they're massive hypocrites. Who? Me? Her? What? Her? Me? Her? Him?
Cancer is a water sign. Their creature is the crab. I give is their keyword, and they're either sprightly or a bit of a drag. You see, they're either extroverted or introverted, but either way they're very expressive of their fears. One minute they're hissing with laughter, next minute they're bawling with tears.
Aries are keen but impatient.
Taurines are ambitious but full of greed.
Gemini are chatty but contradictory.
And Cancer wear their heart on their sleeve.
Leo is a fire sign. The animal is a lion. Their keyword is I create, and they usually have healthy spines. I know that last bit didn't rhyme, but hey, Leos are quite athletic. On the downside, they're attention seekers and can often be over-dramatic. Meow!
Virgo is an earth sign. They're represented by a goddess. The keyword is I analyse, and they're fairly modest. Virgos always feel the need to be useful. They're someone you can trust, but note to yourself that Virgos can over-worry and make too much of a fuss.
Libra is an air sign. They're represented by a set of scales. Their lives require balance and they really don't like to fail. The keyword is I relate. They're peace-loving and often help others by giving them a nudge. But they can be lazy, passive-aggressive and also hold a grudge.
Scorpio is a water sign represented by the scorpion. Their keyword is I desire, and I can't think of a word to rhyme with a scorpion. Scorpios are passionate, powerful, possessive and intense, and sometimes if you take the wrong path in life they can become murderers, psychopaths, axe killers, arsonists, fraudsters, pyromaniacs, burglars, or even the sort of person that puts pineapple on pizza.
Aries are keen but impatient.
Taurines are ambitious but full of greed.
Gemini are chatty but contradictory.
And Cancer wear their heart on their sleeve.
Leos are expressive but loud.
Virgos are caring but wary.
Libras are justified but can hold a grudge.
And Scorpios are just bloody scary.
Sagittarius is a fire sign. They're represented by the bow. I idolise their keyword and they never go with the flow. Sagittarius want to carve their own path, explore and find some place to belong. But they don't like disagreements, especially when they are wrong.
Capricorn is an earth sign. Their creature is a goat. I achieve is their keyword, and their ideas either sink or float. They're responsible, determined, and anything but weak, but they're also quite fearful and big control freaks.
Aquarius is an air sign. Their symbol is water pouring from a bowl. I know is their keyword because they're predictable and have clear goals. Aquarians are eccentric, inventive, and impossible to halt, but they can also be emotionally distant and refuse to see their faults.
The last is Pisces, a water sign represented by two fish. I feel is the key word, and they're quite the complex dish. They're creative, spiritual, compassionate, and known to have vivid dreams, but they don't take well to criticism, which may make them burst at the seams.
Aries are keen but impatient.
Taurines are ambitious but full of greed.
Gemini are chatty but contradictory.
And Cancer wear their heart on their sleeve.
Leos are expressive but loud.
Virgos are caring but wary.
Libras are justified but could hold a grudge.
And Scorpios are just bloody scary.
Sagittarians are adventurous but close-minded.
Capricorns are determined, but imperfections they will not stand.
Aquarians are transparent but distant.
Pisces live in a fantasy land.
Which one are you?